Hey, hello everyone and welcome to this video series. So in this video series, we will be working with UiPath GenAI activities. We will create workflows around each of the activity that is available in the studio community version for us. And we will build a workflow around those activities and see how to use those activities in the workflow. So with that, let's get started with creating the integration service connector and start using these activities in the studio desktop. So the very first thing that you need to do, right, when you log into the automation cloud, you will be navigated to this particular homepage. Okay. So if you are on this particular homepage, you have to go to these 9 bars here and go to the integration services. Okay. So if you're watching this video for the first time and have not used UiPath Studio or UiPath Automation Cloud before, you can go and watch the video in the description, which I have where I have mentioned how you can set up your automation cloud account and also install the UiPath Studio into your machine. So with said that, once you are here on the integration service page, just go to the My Workspace because we will be keeping all those connections in the My Workspace. And from here, search for the GenAI Activity Connector. So this is the GenAI Activity Connector that we'll be using. Click on it. Okay, click on it and then just go to the connect to UiPath Gen activities. Just click on this particular button. So it will navigate you to the web page where you can set up this particular connection. So I'll again select my workspace here and then I'll click on connect. As soon as you click on connect, it will show that the connection has been added. So to see the connection, we have to go to the orchestrator. So I'll just go to the orchestrator. And in the orchestrator, my workspace connection folder, my workspace folder and connection tab, you can see the GenAI activities connector have been added. Okay. So once we have done the activity connection, then we can head back to the UiPath Studio desktop and start building, start using those activities that we get with the GenAI activity connection into the automation workflow. So let us head back to the UiPath Studio desktop and create a project here. So I have opened the UiPath Studio desktop and I'll click on the process here. I'll give it a name. I'll just name it as UiPath Gen AI activities. Okay, I'll keep other configuration setting for this particular project as by default. I will not change anything else here. I'll just name the project and then you can add a description if you want to. And then I'll click on create. So once the project is created, I will have an way where I can create the workflows and run those workflows. So yeah. So now that the project is created, how we will be creating the folders or how we will be maintaining the project here is that we will be creating the folders in the project panel for each of the activity that we get in the integration service GenAI connector. And in that particular folder, we will be creating the workflows which will be actually interacting with those GenAI activities. Okay. So let's start that from the next video and hope you be there in the next video. Thank you for watching.